Question number 19 of 2010 JMC. Pat needs to travel down every one of the roads shown at least once, starting and finishing at home. What is the smallest number of the 5 villages that Pat will have to visit more than once? Alright, yes, for this question, you see that if, as for one place, let's take, in brief, let's say this one is place G, this G point. 2 roads lead to that one, right? So that means you can use one road to get into this place and then leave that place. So you can travel this place by only one time. But for example, if you take this place, that's called that place B. As for this place, you see that 4 sides lead to that. That means no matter how you choose that, let's say if you choose this line to get into that, you're going to leave that, use another line. But you still got 2 lines, right? You still got two roads need to travel. So that means you have to go to this B by more than one time, right? So that means for each place, if the roads lead to that place, the number of roads lead to that place is more than 2. You have to travel that place by more than one time. So let's see, this place B, you have 4 connect to it. That means you must travel that by more than one time. And also for this place W, it's also 4 roads lead to that. So it's going to be traveled by more than one time. So for this place H, only 2 of the road lead to H. So that means you can choose one of that, come into that, and then leave it. So you won't travel this place by more than one time, right? So it's just one time, and that's it. But for this place P, you're going to have 3 roads leads to that, and that is more than 2 roads, right? So that means you have to travel this place by more than one time. So that's it. As for G, it's also 2, so we won't take that. And you just count this place W, this place B, and place P. There'll be 3 places you're going to travel by more than once. So we choose C over here. And of course, we can draw that. We can start from home and go this way. And then W will be traveled by one time. And you can go to G, then go back to B. And then let's see, we go to P, and then H. And you see this is the second time you go to W, right? So W, you travel that place by a second time, and also you have to go to B now. So as for this place B, also one more time. And then we go back home. But you see this road has not been traveled, so you have to go to P as well. So you see as for P, also more than one time, and then you go back home using the same road. So that's it. That's one of the ways. Of course, you have some other ways, but you will see that no matter how you travel it, how you choose the road, B, W, and P will be traveled by more than once.